Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. This is Shariful Islam Khan here. My ID is 192111879. I would like to tell something ERP enterprise resource planning. An enterprise resource planning ERP system integrate the computer-based application used to manage integrate the external resources including tangible asset, financial resource, materials, and human resource. What will the ERP do for a business? The ERP capable for doing business following function in a business. It join the financial data. It also join the data about customers order. It standards the process of manufacturing. It enhance the speed of the manufacturing process. It decrease the inventory. It has ability to standards the HR data. Why companies undertake ERP? Integrate financing information, integrate customers order information, standards the speed of the manufacturing process, reduce inventory, standards HR information. How the ERP occasionally failed. At the starting of period of ERP, few seller expressed to the low time. It has due to lack of the planning the ERP system before is the time of setup. It has become the employer not trained able to modern system. Selected the software was put in performance. The cost of the application was expensive. Features of ERP. It will have the modern trends to like the web-based infix the object obtained database. It is total embedded ERP available from many sources. The ASP will be weekly use. It will move from silent saver application of the application based on the internet. It will have the feature of the self-service application, the country order based on web. Next of is ERP vendors, Microsoft, Oracle, Microsoft, SAP, Stable, etc. Structure of ERP: manufacturing, supply chain management, financial, project, human resource, and last of all customer relationship management. Components of ERP: sales and marketing, master scheduling, bill, materials purchasing, logistics, asset management, financial management. Advantage: the ERP development makes up the better access to data, the develop the workflow and along with the develops the efficiency. It has the better practice. It has features of ERP. It is modern process to discovery. It has the return of inventory, ROI. Disadvantage of ERP: it is very expensive. It's required much time. It needs to the implement time is nearly 12 to 18 months. For the genuine transformation, it needs time of 1 to 3 years. It need to training and acceptance. Conclusion: the question of the whether the ERP system should imply in a certain organized depends on several factors. This depends the size of the financial stability of organization, also the establishment of simple ERP system can become the solution to similar components according to the new system. Today the implementation of an ERP system can provide the following of an organization. It will integrate organizational process, create a more associate company. It will also as assembly for the organization will the customers and supplies in way were not formally possible. The future of ERP will facilities growth for companies and allow them to expand their organizational goals and possible. That's all about my presentation. Thank you all for watching me with your patience.